Jamaica's 2024 road fatalities hit Jamaica's 2024 road fatalities hit 364, almost one per day. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica recorded 364 road fatalities in 2024, averaging nearly one death per day according to the latest crash statistics from the Island Traffic Authority. The data released on Tuesday, December 31, 2024 reflects figures as of New Year's Eve morning and could rise further. These fatalities stem from 314 road crashes. The Island Traffic Authority said that motorcycles, pedestrians, and private motor vehicle drivers were the top three road categories with the highest number of road fatalities this year, accounting for 34%, 19%, and 17% respectively of all road deaths registered in 2024. A breakdown by category shows 122 motorcycles, 68 pedestrians, 63 private motor vehicle drivers, and 45 passengers of private motor cars were killed. Also killed were 15 pedal cyclists, 15 passengers of public passenger vehicles (PPV), 12 pillion passengers, and 9 PPV drivers. As of December 31, 2024, motorcyclists account for 34% of all fatalities, pedestrians account for 19%, and private motor vehicles account for 17%. Four parishes accounted for 53% of the road fatalities: St. Catherine 17%, Westmoreland 16%, and 10% each for St. Anne and St. Andrew. Meanwhile, male and females accounted for 84% and 16% respectively of all road fatalities in 2024. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.